Is your metal screen door looking a little tired? Here's how to respray the metal mesh and give it an instant refresh. First step is to remove the door from the frame. This will make it easier to spray, but also means you won't have to tape up your front door and surrounding house to protect from overspray. Then we want to give it a really thorough clean. We're using sugar soap and a Scotch-Brite pad. Make sure you clean both sides of the door and give any areas with flaking paint a really good scrub. Then you can hose it all down and leave out to dry completely. You can now tape around the door frame and handles, as we're only repainting the black metal mesh for this door. We're using Dulux Metal Shield Etch Primer in black to prime the metal mesh. Spray on several mist coats on either side of the door until you have a nice even coverage. Leave to dry completely, then you can spray on your top coat. We're using Dulux Metal Shield Epoxy Enamel in satin black. Again, just several mist coats on both sides of the door. And that's it. Once your spray is completely dry, you can remove the tape and rehang your door.